Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can create a list on your SharePoint site from an Excel file. So first thing you have to do is come over to your Excel file, set up all your headers, import in all of your rows for all of the different headers, and then once everything looks good to go ahead and copy all of the rows and all of the columns for the data that you're going to import. Then come over here to where it says Format as Table, and then just go ahead and select one of these. And then once you do it, your table should look formatted similar to this. After you go ahead and save your file, come back over to SharePoint. And then there's a few different ways you can create a list. The easiest way is just to come over to one of the pages on your SharePoint site, come over to New, click on List, then come down here where it says Import From and click on Excel. And then we're going to go ahead and upload our file. And then we're going to go ahead and click on it. It's our Excel file that we just made, and this is the table. We only had one table on our Excel file, so that's why it's only showing one. But if you had multiple tables, it should show multiple tables here. Now what you need to do is you have to go ahead and decide what each one of these columns, the correct data type. So you can see we're going to go and use the first name as the title. You have to have a title, so we're just going to leave it as the first name. And then you can see this one's a single line, this one's a single line, single line, single line, single line. And these are the options you have available to you. So you could change them if you want to, or you can choose just not to import one of these columns as well. Once you've checked to make sure that all of your data looks good to go, make sure that the emails are in the email column, the correct office locations are on there as well. Everything looks good to go. Go ahead and click on Next. And then you want to go ahead and name your list. So we'll just call it YouTube Test List. And then you can go ahead and decide if you want to go ahead and include it in your navigation, which is over here off to the left. Then give it a moment. Okay, and this is our list. So it's going to look similar to some of the other videos that we had. So if you want to come in and make changes to it, just come over to column settings. You could rename it. You can format it. You can do all sorts of stuff. And if you want to go ahead and edit any one of these, you can click on Edit in Grid View. And make inline edits, or if you just double click any one of these entries, you can make changes to it that way. If you want to add additional entries, just come over here to Add New Item. And there's some other stuff too that we'll cover in other videos, but that is how you go ahead and use an Excel file from an Excel file to create a new list on your SharePoint site.